Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make an apple in Infinite Craft. So let's get into the video. Open up Infinite Craft, and once you have opened up, so we're going to start with earth. So we're going to start with earth, we'll add with water. That's going to give you a plant. Then plant with a wind, that's going to give you a dandelion. So again you're going to add this with wind, and that's going to give you a seed. So you're going to leave as it is, and now you're going to get a plant. So have a plant here, and then plant, add with another plant, that will give you a tree. So now what you have to do, this tree, add it with this seed, and that will give you an apple. So that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy and a straightforward process. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.